Nigerian producers are now complaining that Ghana your television stations ni bo wa omo for omo adwuma omo ye no more start say omo yi na omo eso e dey kire omo viewers without telling them and without giving them back right ni manyo ma chese sika bi enko se nka fo mu nsam na mo zo okay adwuma ye no TV stations bi so wo Ghana abusua e showcase omo adwuma omo ye wo Nigeria ho no e Ghana ase no bibi sense omo kotwe video no fi YouTube and afi other social media handles na afi omo yi e omo TV stations no so wa bra omo mama ne
and lift my film and put on your channel. That TV station in Ghana, I'm talking to you. Don't put my movie up. I didn't give you the permission to.
Afi kwade ba could be a friend Bimbo Ademoye onu kwade afi wanya akukudru ababontin abenwane all the TV stations are omo yesa act no nene yebebo several videos are producers ni bi omo Nigeria e complaining say there be warning ayede magana for say shremo bobe yempo amofre ye moya mane untimi kwatwe video no online na umbe yi e TV station so Jaguar am fan semni na so moye Kama Studios I go by the name Sticky the Superstar na dey di kan ya Jaguar na afi subscribe to your platform on YouTube na if you follow on Facebook self abdo TikTok Kama Studios na bi antimi nya kama afi ma memfo mu ransem no Nigerian producers are say the make can in the intro no afi your logic complain na bi so ayi complaints bebre ene dey da pono so Bimbo Ademoye na agise ene odebe to dwa say there bi ono dey we who several TV stations in Ghana moyi in the movies now omono they spend millions of naira producing these movies and then when it comes out TV stations be Ghana has ekotwe ade for YouTube na afi omo showcase where omo TV stations without even telling them.
I don't even want, before I was even like, well, let's talk to me, let's discuss on how we can both share. I don't want your money. Don't put my movie up.
Or without giving back their right and all kind of that. Enti ene I sound the first warning all the TV stations. Then you know, some way back 2023, Ruth Kadiri, honestly, one of the movie producers of Nigeria. You know, they own one of the biggest film production in Nigeria. Or share YouTube platform now where to say or millions of views on her videos, and I will say she's very big. Or the cable logic complain way back 2023.
It's not even just one, not two, not three. I don't want to put a watermark on my content because I feel like it's going to make it look tacky. And this is the first warning and this is going to be the last warning. The next time you're going to hear from my lawyers, I beg you, please, let's not start dragging ourselves through the mud because I expect so much more from you. You all know how expensive it is to create content. And instead of you to buy this content, you would rather just rip it and show it on national TV. My God.
Say what? The TV stations, some of the TV stations in Ghana are doing, you know, ono nebonyo so because say omobe boka millions of dollars, millions of naira. Now they are producing a movie. How much does it cost to pay one actor, one actresses? And then you see the movie, you see the camera quality, everything, sound is very well. Now wakoche, now we showcase it without even calling the person. And I say, what year you cry and kaska crabon some was also that she will be BB sensi. Intene Bimbo Ademoye krade ono na isi na ene na mgua password say Ghana for be na kan was
all the TV stations in Ghana that put my movie, I didn't give you permission to don't put my movie up. Ayodeji Films, you don't put my movie up, but you put my thumbnail and my title, and then you pretend like it's a part 2. I'm warning you. Actually, you're the one I'm looking for because I want to use you as an example. Ayodeji Films, I'm calling you out. And the crazy thing is, you don't even do a review. I know people that do reviews of my movie. I see them. I love them. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys. But Ayodeji, you post and you talk a lot of trash. Let me give you an example of what you do. So guys, have you seen this beautiful movie? It's a lovely movie. It's a nice movie. So the movie is nice. Tell us what to think about the movie. That's not a review. You're talking bullshit. And using our thumbnail for clickbait. Don't put up, don't use my, Ayodeji Films, don't review my movie. Don't talk about my film. Because when I take your channel down or I have you picked up and arrested, nobody should come and cry wolf and say Bimbo is actually using power to intimidate anybody. Because I'm warning you now. The TV station in Ghana, you're not untouchable. You're not unreachable. Stop uploading my movies on your channel. Those of you that use my thumbnail and my title and you use another film, I don't care if I'm in the film. Don't use my thumbnail. It's my intellectual property. It's mine. And I'm not giving you permission to use it. Please. I've had sleepless nights. My eyes are red. I haven't slept. I've been working on PR. I've been spending money. My family, my father my nephew, my sister, nobody has slept because we're all working to make sure that this PR is like huge. Then one evil person will now wake up and decide to use my property, my intellectual property, because you want to feed. And you think that food will digest? Please, I'm warning you now.
Now, let's talk about this issue very small. I feel like, yes, it is very true. Because even in our country, you know, when you look at some of the YouTube channels now, Abushia, when they produce their content, even when they take their camera and go to a certain location, and then they film the thing and then they post it on their platform, you being another content creator, download the same content and maybe add some of 2 or 3 things and you post it on your YouTube platform, copyright issues, actual. So what I say, but this is the case that they don't post it on their YouTube platform. Live on their television stations. There is no ways and means because YouTube are copyright issues are so what I say, when the magicians, they do the same. When they produce the whole thing and they put it on YouTube, now your reaction copyright the show. So imagine it sounds so weird to see say a whole country like Ghana, the movies that we produce in here, the Gollywood and the Kumawood and those kind of things, all the movies are when a TV station don't want to showcase it, but they go in our next country and the country that we share borders with, no movies. Same thing applies to some of these Indians movies on their platform. It shows they say they are the same TV stations that are always complaining. Patronize Ghana, patronize Ghana, patronize Ghana, patronize made in Ghana goose, patronize made in Ghana goose. Films are directing one, they don't want to show it. Why? Because they have 1 or 2 or 3 reasons. You go and download another person's work without telling the person. And now they are angry. They are saying, so no, enough is enough. We have warned you a lot. We have talked about this issue for several times. We have talked about this very issue for so many years. And still, some of the TV stations are still doing this. And now, this is the last warning from Bimbo Ademoye. The next thing she sees another TV station showcasing their project, that one, she's going to take a legal action against that TV station. Either sort of court, and also be facing in any other ways, and in any other means. So this is a very sound warning coming from these Nigerian producers, warning some of the TV stations in our country that whatever they are doing, they have to put a stop to it, because enough is enough. Me and will be sweat and will be free. Imagine spending a lot of millions of nairas, millions of cedis, millions of dollars to do something, and your human being will go and then take the same project, not calling you, not paying you whatever you deserve, and then be showcasing it and then be having profit on it and click it. And I must say, I'm out.